Morning, guys, and welcome back to Jazzy61. So today we're taking down Christmas. My little one wants to wait. So I'm gonna leave some of the pops of red because of Valentine's Day. It's gonna be coming up pretty soon. So I'm gonna leave some of the pops of red, but I'm gonna take down the tree. I already took down the stockings off the wall a couple days ago and the Santa hat off the bed. So I'll be removing the pillow and our tiny corner Christmas tree right now. I'm gonna also try to do the living room, not the one where we sit, family room, but the front living room. Take that tree down as well, put some more space up there for us, since we've been spending more time up there since that pool table's there. So let's get going on taking down this here tree. So as I mentioned, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start with the tree in our master bedroom. I put all of the cases to every pack of ornaments into the tree box of that tree that the ornaments are on. I do that because of this process right here, you guys. I take my tree down in an organized fashion, I guess you can say. And this way I go through and get all the ornaments that go into each individual case and put them away kind of organized, and then I put the tree in that box that it belongs in, and I can kind of tuck everything away kind of nice and neat. So I'm going to go through here, take off all the ornaments, put them in their respective cases. Then I'm going to go ahead and take off the ribbon, the lights, and then go ahead and put the tree down, clean that area up, and move on to the next phase of taking down Christmas. So here's me putting the ornaments into the storage bin. It's a red one. I got it from Walmart about a year or so ago. It was about $5, you guys. This makes storing your decor for each season so much simpler when it's kind of color coded. So what I'm going to do is actually put that off into one of my storage spaces throughout my house, but it's easy to pull everything back out when that season comes. Now I'm just sweeping the floor to get all of that flocking up. It was a lot of flocking, you guys. I'm not going to pretend. It was only because I was shaking the tree so much to get it back in the box. And then I kind of put the room back the way it was before I put the Christmas decor out. All right, guys, so now we're moving into the living room area. I'm going to take down the mantle and the pieces off the wall. I already cleared out the little storage area for whatever else I'm going to do after this. He wants to wait in. So let's get busy in the living room, shall we? So here, guys, I broke out my vacuum cleaner because the garland left some pieces behind, and it also gets dusty over there in the fireplace area. I need to go ahead and kind of vacuum it up because sweeping it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't really work out that great. So I'm going to vacuum a little bit. Might as well go over the carpet again, even though I already done it earlier today. It's no problem. Just go back over there down again in case something got tracked in there. And I'm going to get started in my dining area next. There has been nothing on this table, but I always like to give everything kind of a clean, fresh wipe down, just in case we set something on it that may have been sticky or left anything behind. This way I know it's good and clean, everything is off of it, and it's prepared for whenever we do decide to sit down and eat. And I've been sweeping a lot more lately. I know I have vacuums for this, but I don't feel like they get into the crevices the way that I need them to. So I've been sweeping, but the issue is being so tall, the brooms are all so short. And so when I'm sweeping, I kind of have to hunch my back over to sweep the floor, and it hurts my back, you guys. I don't know if it does that to anybody. Let me know in the comments if you guys have to deal with this too. Okay, guys, so I got most of the house undecorated. I did also get some of the lights from outside and put them away. I'm going to take a little pause because I've been moving around for about 3 hours straight, and I'm hot. I just want to sit for a minute, get off my feet, and I'm going to finish cleaning. I'm going to finish cleaning up. I already took everything down pretty much in the kitchen. I had done it off camera, my bad, but I wanted to go ahead and start because I know when I start, I'm going to keep going. So I went ahead and did that. So I'm going to clean the kitchen, and then I'm going to start on that front living room tree. I think I'm going to leave this big one up in our dining family room area and kind of put some pops of other color to make it like a Valentine's Day tree. Because I don't want to take it down yet. First off, it's big. But the other thing is I kind of just like having it up. I like looking at the lights. So I'm going to take off probably some of that buffalo check and just leave the red and the white. So, yeah, be back shortly. Alrighty, guys, so it is the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and finish loading the dishwasher from the day before. It was not full. I do not like to run my dishwasher if it's not full. I think it's just kind of wasteful to have like 5 dishes in there and turn it on. So I typically wait till we have enough dishes to fill the dishwasher before I get it going. But this is the part that I start with, that because it clears up the space in the sink, and I feel like once the sink is done, everything else happens kind of quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle the rest of these dishes, get the dishwasher going, wipe down my countertop, sweep the floor in here. I already got all the decorations down for the most part, as I said before, you guys, because I was just already pulling it off the walls. I kind of got tired of seeing it, so I just started pulling some of it off the walls early. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get it clean before I go into the living room and tackle taking down that Christmas tree. Don't be bothered if you see my little one running around in his pull-up, you guys. He's just been on the move a lot lately. So if you see him pop in and out of there, he'll probably wave. Who knows? He's an interesting kid. So I'm going ahead and be quiet and let you guys enjoy this kitchen cleaning motivation. Is now done. I'm going to head, hold on, show you where I'm headed, into the front living area to take down that tree. Let's go.
Alrighty guys, so this is the part that makes me the saddest and that I dread the most, taking down the bigger trees. That little tree was nothing. It took me like 30 minutes to take it all down and get it all packed away. But these bigger trees take me a little bit longer because I have more ornaments on there. I have more little stuffing stuff on there. Like, it's so much more detail onto these bigger trees. So I'm going to go ahead and take this tree down piece by piece. You guys see the Amazon truck out there. She made like 5 trips to my door. She has so much stuff. I'll be doing a video about that, you guys, on my packages in the next video, so be on the lookout for that. But I am going to get all these ornaments taken off of this tree, get them all packed down into their respective boxes, and get them all tucked away until Christmas next year. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet and let you guys enjoy this undecorating. So about this time, you see I'm struggling with the tree. I don't know what happened, you guys, but it was really stuck together and I could not get it to come apart. I was poking myself in the eye. I was jiggling it. I was doing everything that I normally would do to get the tree down, and it was not coming down. It's never been that tough for me, you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys struggle getting your trees down this year. So at this point, you guys, I have broke out the packing tape. Usually I use duct tape, but I don't have any. And the reason why I use it is to keep everything sealed up until next year. You guys see I'm doing quite a job on taping this down here. I'm not kidding. It is not coming open. And here I'm just putting all the rest of the ornaments into another box. As I said before, I ran out of my Rubbermaid bins. So we do have more packing boxes. So I'm putting some of the ornaments and all the ornaments from this tree in this packing box here, as well as some of the stuff from outside. As you see here, I'm taking down my wreath, my garland, all of that. I'm going to pack it down in these boxes as well. And this pretty much took all the Christmas from outside of my house and put it inside and into boxes. And the final part of any undecorating montage is cleaning up after everything is done, you guys. There was so much glitter on the floor. I mean, my little one kept touching it and trying to rub his arms and stuff so he can see the glitter. And I'm like, come on, dude. Like, I can barely get this off myself. How am I supposed to get this off of you? But it got done and I was happy with the result.
Alright guys, so the second tree is down. The third one's going to stay up for a little bit longer, but everything else is taken down. Christmassy in my house. I'll be decorating for Valentine's Day pretty soon. So I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.